What's happening? So I've had this thing for 4 years and it needs some work. This video we're going to be doing the interior, so new carpet, new driver's side seat, new stereo, and a couple other little things. It's gross. It needs some love. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, this thing's nasty. I got so much crap just all over the place. This seat cover is freaking terrible. It's gonna get replaced. This head unit is zip tied. That ain't gonna work. I got a touchscreen one. And yeah, the carpet is pretty nasty. So we're gonna go ahead and spruce it up a little bit. Well, that was easy. This thing's a piece of garbage. So I'm gonna clean this real quick while I'm in here, and then on these trucks there's a little bevel right here, and that has to be cut off. So we're gonna cut that so it can slide in all the way, and then we'll be good to go. So there's two 7mm under here, and then we're gonna cut this slip off. So here's the stereo, here's the dash kit that comes with it. So if you're looking, this side needs to be in, this beveled side, and this is going on the outside. So you try to line it up the best you can, and then 2 screws are going to go in to hold it. So let's do that. Should just plug in. There you go. It's working. Ouch. All right, it's in there. So we're gonna start by taking all these seats out. It's just these 4 bolts. It's easy. And then back here, over there, take the sub out, and then we'll get to the carpet. Seats are out, and this is disgusting. So now we got to remove all these panels and this cover, and then we'll be good to take the carpet out and put the new in. This shifter boot took 4 Phillips, and this last one wouldn't come out, so I ended up just cutting them all off, and I'm gonna buy a new boot. So I've got it mostly trimmed up. The new carpet's on the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and I put Sharpie where I think the holes are, and I'm just gonna cut it inside the cab. New seat covers in. That was a pain. Now I got the back all dirty, but I gotta put the tracks back on, and then we'll get back to it. All right, we're all done. Carpet's brand new. New stereo. That bottom seat's new. Yeah, that's about it. I know I haven't posted over a freaking year, but here's the start.